dishes and I threw them out the window. Give me the good old boxcar by the sea, with the birds and the bats, the bees and the cats and me. I was lost in the meadow of a dream, and you can find me there with a bottle to share. I was lost in the meadow of a dream, and you can say what you want, be who you want. Oh, I'll be Butch Cassidy, and you can be the Sundance Kid. Under the swinging bridge with a cigarette, the heavens of heaven ain't as nice, I bet. I'd say I'll see you later, but I ain't that sure. With all these talkers talking of atomic war, I was lost in the meadow of a dream, and it's the place to be for a wretch like me. We were lost in the meadow of a dream, and you can say what you want, be who you want. Oh,
Will it be a successful one?
Butch Cassidy, and you can be the Sundance Kid. Sundance, can you hear me, boy? Sundance,
Yeah. Chill Hop? I love Chill Hop.
I like Chill Hop so much. It makes my day.
It's the best. Chill Hop is the best.
Let's freestyle.
I'll Chill Hop too, sorry, man.
But if you dig around, especially like pull out rocks from under the beach and stuff, they'll be underneath there and they're just like, and they're like,
I used to find them now and then. I always go for crabs. Yeah, like on the beach as a kid. Like, yeah, they're gross.
Yeah, Sailor Jerry's is slightly better.
What is it? Sea cucumbers and sea slugs and like spitting their guts out and everything. It's
Yeah.
basically
taking a picture here.
It's a good spot.
right? I know, it might be a recurring thing.
I must have had a hell of a time coming up this one.
You ever beat it on fourth one on Big Boss? Where you can't be seen, you can't be like heard, you can't. Oh, what? Brian, where are you?
The deer.
The deer that's run away now?
No, it's behind this tree.
just live here.
Wow. He's ours now.
He's gonna say hello to everybody.
Wow, that is a good looking dog.
Ed, thanks for coming over and saying hi.
No, not a rock.
Hey, what? Hey, what?
Gosh, look at that stance. What a beautiful, beautiful dog. That is the ultimate.
Crab eats him right there and then pinches him out of the air and gnaws his face off. He has no pincher. Oh, this guy's only got one pincher.
Isn't that private?
Yeah. I brought water if you want to.
Oh, fuck yeah. I forgot to bring a beer. No.
Here we see the majestic brionfish swim elegantly across the water.
The ground here to get his natural food, the beer.
He hunts for treasures along the shoreline. Will it be a successful hunt?
Any unattended beer, he snatches. His target in sight. Target in sight. He's relentless. Those are
The what? Green Bay. Yeah,
From Macbeth.
No, it's not
maybe it's not
Mike's Meadow.
Maybe it's still on the
Was Macbeth the last one?
Yeah, it was before.
So you guys disbanded from that and started off.
Might as well just chill for a second.
let's go look for your phone.
Mike's Meadow after Macbeth.
I appreciate that guy. He's got a good
Focus.
moral standing as far as built business goes.
That's probably not the best spot to be.
I know.
Because it's going to fly that way.
Exactly.
That's why it's a good shot. I'm
Yeah, just be warned.
in danger. Yeah, the celebration cookies and marshmallows. I'm gonna totally fry my camera.
It's actually not a bad color.
Yeah.
You can do it with like forms and stuff, but you can do it all by too. Come on.
Yeah, look at this camera all the
Bruce Lee. Yeah, not many others. Like 31 years old, younger than 86. Yeah, Adam West.